اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم وما تفرق الذین اوتوا الکتاب الا من بعد ما جاءتهم البینہ. Translation is, and those to whom the book was given did not become divided until after clear evidence had come to them.
Huzur Khan, al-Bayyenah, could it be the call of the Prophet Musa alayhi salatu wasalam? Could it be the claim of the Prophet Musa alayhi salatu wasalam, al-Bayyenah, here in this verse?
I mean, al-Bayyenah cannot refer to any particular prophet at all. Al-Bayyenah is a phenomenon of clear manifest truths which are delivered from Allah to all the prophets. The whole surah is related to the phenomenon of prophethood or messengership of Allah, right from the beginning of the time to the time of Hadith and beyond. Always it so happened that whoever was a prophet earlier or later was bestowed Bayyenah by Allah. Bayyenah is the distinctive proof of his being from God, and the distinctive proof of his being different from the rest of the society. And Bayyenah also is a quality of the teaching which he gives, he brings. And that quality is also mentioned in this surah as Al-Qayyamah. So Bayyenah creates Al-Qayyamah, all the teaching which is everlasting. This gist is prepared in this surah, that there is a fundamental teachings brought by all prophets of Allah, whether they were earliest or latest. They are fundamental to them. These teachings never change. So they are called Al-Qayyamah, because Qayyamah has that connotation of constancy throughout, universality, no change whatsoever. But other teachings are woven around them, which are subject to time. So here those teachings are not mentioned. Here it is mentioned that this is the core of every religion. The Prophet must bring Bayyenah, that is, his character, his revelation, etc., should become a positive proof of his being distinctly different from others. A positive proof that he is from Allah. He speaks from God. With that, his prophecies are fulfilled. His knowledge of the future is proved to be right. This is Bayyenah. And Qayyamah, as I have already mentioned, is the name of an everlasting teaching, that core of religion which never changes. So there are a few things mentioned here, that the core of the religion is, read it from the verses, please.
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم وما امروا الا ليعبدوا الله
مخلصین لہ الدین حنفاء
ویقیموا الصلاۃ ویؤتوا الزکاۃ
وذالک دین القیمہ. Right? So these are the fundamentals of every religion which never change.